Welcome to another enlightening journey with Allcure Next Gen Ayurveda. Today, let us discover the incredible benefits of Vai Vidang, a potent herb with a wealth of healing properties. What is Vai Vidang? Scientifically known as Embellia ribs, and is often called false pepper due to its resemblance to black pepper seeds. Vidanga is a woody climbing shrub with slender stems over leaves. Its small flowers can be greenish yellow. Its fruits look like wrinkled black peppers with a reddish brown to black outer skin. Vidanga usually exists in the hilly areas of India like the lower and central Himalayas, Deccan, western Ghats, etc. In India, Vidanga is mostly distributed in Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Vidanga has found its way into diverse cultures and goes by the following common names. Vidanga, in Hindi, Vayu Vilanga, in Kannada, Vayu Vilangam, in Tamil, Vaivilankam, in Malayalam, Vayu Vidangalu, Vai Vilangamu, in Telugu. As per Bhav Prakasha Nighantu, Vidanga is a pungent herb primarily aiding in reducing morbidity, improving blood circulation, increasing appetite, clearing phlegm, lightening the body, and effectively eliminating various types of worms. On the other hand, Raj Nighantu scriptures describe Vidanga as a pungent and warm herb that is light in nature, helping to balance wind and phlegm, treating anorexia, and enhancing digestive strength. Now, let's learn about the health benefits of this wonderful herb. Highly beneficial for indigestion and helps treat constipation due to its laxative properties. Works on reducing fat and clearing all toxins present in the body because of its hot potency that improves digestion and helps in the elimination of undigested foods. The anti-anxiolytic properties can be beneficial to reduce anxiety and depression by improving mood and brain functions. Acts as a blood cleanser, eliminating toxins from the plasma and lymphatic system, aiding in conditions like piles, anorectal disorders, obesity, and tumors. Helps to manage worm infestation that includes threadworms, roundworm and all types of worms due to its creamy gna property. It has kapha pacifying property as a result of which it reduces cough and throat infection. Usage instructions. Consume 2 to 5 grams of seed powder with 3 grams of honey for 2 consecutive days on an empty stomach in the morning or as advised by an Ayurvedic doctor. Discover the remarkable benefits of Vai Vidang and start your journey towards a healthier life by visiting www.oilcure.com today. We hope you found this video informative and useful. We encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.